Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a heart, so let's get started. Following with me. The other side too. The same. Now draw two round big eyes. Inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. Here too. Draw lines inside. And the mouth. Now we have a cute heart. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.